The Xbox Live service powers a lot of the social experiences on the Xbox console. Things like competing with other players, playing with other players in the same game, either cooperatively or competitively, and then also tracking your progress. We hope that by providing these social features or these challenges features or things that kind of go beyond the gameplay, that we're able to give you a much better, more enjoyable experience when you're on our platform. All of our services use Azure Tables for their base layer of figuring out where a storage account is located. So at the end of the day, you use an Azure storage account for your blob and table storage, but we use many of those for each service. And we do that because we want to be able to get more of that elastic capacity out of Azure, and also because we don't want to pull all of our data in one place for things like disaster recovery purposes. So every service in Xbox Live uses a common platform based on Azure Tables to figure out where each user's data is stored. Xbox, when we ship a new feature, millions of people use that feature almost instantaneously, and that's a significant amount of load that we've spent the last 10 or 12 years trying to figure out how to handle and scale for. And as we moved to Azure Storage, we were concerned that could this partner service do the same thing that we were already doing internally? And it was fantastic that it could actually do that. We've never seen an issue where we deployed a new feature and Azure was the bottleneck that caused us to not have that feature work. As we look to the future, we want to be able to get things done faster and try things out more. And we're going to make mistakes, but we're also going to do some really great stuff. And the faster that we can iterate on these things, the faster and more likely we are to make our customers happy. We want Xbox to always feel like the best place to play games. And that doesn't just mean that we have the best games, but that also those games are more fun on our platform. The more and more data that we can push through the system and the more data we can retain and massage and process, the easier it is for us to light up those experiences. And that's really something that Azure helps us do. We don't have to think about how many more servers we have to buy to do this or how many more hard drives do we have to buy to store all this stuff. We can just know that almost infinite capacity will be there, and we can build almost anything that we imagine to enable those experiences.